Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Chevrolet Traverse LS. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 96,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.